Hi guys, welcome back my study channel स्टडी पॉइंट 100.2। आज आपके लिए इंग्लिश टीजीटी के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लेके आया हूँ, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट। हु इज रिफर्ड टू एज ए पोइट्स पोइट? ऑप्शन नंबर ए मिल्टन, ऑप्शन नंबर बी पोप, ऑप्शन नंबर सी स्पेंसर, ऑप्शन नंबर डी चौसर। मिल्टन was born in 1608 in London. मिल्टन का जन्म 1608 ईस्वी में लंदन में हुआ था। He was the greatest poet of his age. वह अपने युग का एक महानतम कवि था। So he is referred to as the greatest poet. इसलिए वह एक महानतम कवि के रूप में संदर्भित किया गया था। So आंसर नंबर ए So answer number A is the right answer of this question. Milton. Question number B. Question number 2. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for option number A literature, option number B music, option number C journalism, option number D play for theatre. Option number A literature is the right answer of this question. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for literature. Question number 3. The first play by Galsworthy is. The first play by Galsworthy is. Option number A Justice, option number B Loyalties, option number C Silver Box, option number D Skin Game. The first play by Galsworthy is Silver Box. So answer number C is the right answer for this question. John Galsworthy was born on 14th August at Kingston Hill, Surrey in England. जॉन गॉल्सवर्थी का जन्म 14 अगस्त किंगस्टन हिल सूरे में इंग्लैंड में हुआ था। सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी सिल्वर बॉक्स इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Shakespeare was born in option number A 1564, option number B 1464, option number C 1664, option number D 1364. Option number A 1564 is the right answer for this question. Shakespeare was born in 1564. William Shakespeare was born at Stratford-on-Avon on 26 अप्रैल 1564. विलियम शेक्सपियर का जन्म स्ट्रेटफोर्ड ऑन एवन 26 अप्रैल 1564 को हुआ था। सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. लाइफ इज ए टेल टोल्ड बाय एन इडिट फ्रॉम विच प्ले आर दीज वर्ड्स क्वेटेड? ऑप्शन नंबर ए द टेम्पेस्ट, द हेमलेट, ऑप्शन नंबर सी मैकबेथ, ऑप्शन नंबर डी रोमियो एंड जूलियट, ऑप्शन नंबर डी रोमियो एंड जूलियट। Life is a tale told by an idiot. These words are quoted in the Shakespeare's famous play Macbeth. So Macbeth, option number C is the right answer for this question. Question number 6. The age of Pope is called. Option number A, the Restoration Age. Option number B, Classical Age. Option number C, Age of Sensibility. Option number D, the Augustan Age. The Augustan Age. The age of Pope is called. Option number D is the right answer for this question. Augustan Age. The period which covers the age of Trajan as well as Pope. समय जो ड्रेडन के साथ साथ पोप को भी कवर करता है 1660 टू 1745, 1660 से 1745 तक इज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज क्लासिकल एज और द ऑगस्टन एज इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर। जो इंग्लिश लिटरेचर अंग्रेजी साहित्य में क्लासिकल एज या ऑगस्टन एज के रूप में वर्णित है। So answer number D is the right answer for this question. The Augustan Age. Question number 7. Other avoid our question. Thou art free. Who was said this about Shakespeare? Option number A, Wordsworth. Option number B, Milton. Option number C, Matthew Arnold. Option number D, Ben Jonson. Option number C, Matthew Arnold for the right answer for this question. Other abide our questions, thou art free. Matthew Arnold said this about Shakespeare. So option number C is the right answer for this question. Next, Milton, thou shouldst be living at this hour. This statement is given by option number A, Wordsworth. Option number B, Trajan. Option number C, Pope. Option number D, Gray. This statement is given by Pope. So option number C is the right answer for this question. Priority, thy name is woman are from which famous Shakespeare's play? Option number A, Hamlet. Option number B, Tempest. Option number C, As You Like It. Option number D, King Lear. Frailty, thy name is woman. These words are quoted Shakespeare's famous play Hamlet. So option number A is the right answer for this question. Hamlet. In which of Shakespeare's play do these lines figure? The lunatic, the lover, and the poet are of imagination all compact. Option number A, Twelfth Night. Option number B, The Tempest. Option number C, A Midsummer Night's Dream. Option number D, none of these. Option number C, A Midsummer Night's Dream is the right answer for this question. A Midsummer Night's Dream. A Midsummer Night's Dream is one of the most popular of Shakespeare's. that came in the year 1595. A midsummer night stream एक अत्यधिक लोकप्रिय शेक्सपियर की पुस्तक है जो 1595 ईस्वी में आई। The age of Pope is called option number A the Restoration, option number B the Augustan age, option number C classical age, option number D age of sensibility. Option number B is the right answer for this question. The Augustan age. The Augustan age. The poem is called an ode when it is a song of lament and mourning. Option number B, it is full of music and emotions. Option number C, its style is lofty and dignified. Option number D, it has 14th line only. Answer number C, its style is lofty and dignified is the right answer for this question. Milton's Lycidas is a option number A ode, option number B masque, option number C lyric, option number D postal elegy. Option number D is the right answer for this question. Postal elegy. Milton's Lycid is a postal elegy. Milton's Lycid is a postal elegy. Milton had already published his poem El Allegro and Second Pensereso in 1631. His Camus 1637, Lycidas 1638. Gitanjali in English was published in option number A 1905, option number B 1912, option number C 1911, option number D 1913. Option number B is the right answer for this question. Gitanjali was written by Rabindranath Tagore that was published in 1912. So option number B is the right answer for this question. The Merchant of Venice was published in option number A 1597, option number B 1596, option number C 1598, option number D 1599. A merchant Option number A is the right answer for this question. 1597. Hmm. Merchant of Venice was published in 1597. Shakespeare's famous comedies are Love's Labour Lost, published 1590. Commedia Paris 1591. Two Gentlemen of Verona 1592. A Midsummer Night's Dream 1592. All's Well That Ends Well 1595. So 1597 is the right answer of this question. Merchant of Venice was published in 1597.